Oh my God. One of the largest investors in the world just dumped 30 million worth of shares. Let's have a look who it is. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. It's Share here from the Freedom Academy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Support the channel by subscribing, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. I will get to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's get into our video. So the subject for today is who is this person that actually dumped 30 million worth of shares in the stock market? It's actually Mr. Berkshire Hathaway himself, Warren Buffett. He is one of the largest investors in the world. So you guys have to take note of this. Be aware that if Warren Buffett is on a selling spree, we retail traders must be careful in the markets. Because why? Maybe he can see what we can't. Because this guy, Warren Buffett, he is a guy that actually buys most of the shares. Well, he buys a lot. He doesn't sell a lot. If he sells, that means he can see something. So we have to take note of this. So what is the latest selling spree that he is on? He actually, before this, he sold off about a large stake in Delta Airlines and Southwest. Well, the question is on everybody's lips right now is he giving up on the market? Is he actually literally giving up on the markets? Why? Because he can see that there is no end to this bearish run. It actually has been on a quite small bullish retrace, but I think based on what Warren Buffett been doing, he thinks that the market is still going rallying down. So we have to be careful about that. So the question now is, why? Why is he doing this? Because his latest sell-off is actually from the Bank of New York. He sold off about 30 million worth of shares. If you look at Yahoo Finance, he sold off his shares on the 7th and the 8th of April. Share price at that time was about 34 to 35 level per share, 35 to 34 to 35 dollars per share. But if he had waited another day for the markets to open today, it actually came higher at this 37 level. So I don't think he's waiting on that, because that's just, I think, a minor retrace before it goes back down. So I don't know if he's cutting all his losses, but I don't think he's investing for loss. I think he's just taking whatever profit that he has and getting out of the market before it crashes down. So according to Business Insider, this 30 million worth of shares, it actually he holds about 10% worth of stocks in the Bank of America. So let's have a look at what Business Insider has been saying. According to them, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway sold about 30 million worth of shares on Bank of New York this week. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway sold about 30 million worth of shares. The billionaire investors company flocked close to about 860,000 shares at about $35 each. So the move follows Berkshire Hathaway's nearly 390 million worth of shares in Delta Airlines and Southwest Airlines last week. So as you can see, guys, Warren Buffett has actually been on a selling spree. So I will leave this link in the description so you guys can check it out. So if you want, I'll leave a link to Wikipedia as well. You can have a look at who is Warren Buffett, learn about him, one of the most influential billionaires in the world. So let's have a look at my market prediction for gold. It's still lingering at the current level of resistance. It wants to hit the 1700 level. If it breaks up there, then we are looking for a buy. But if it goes down for a while, we are looking for a short-term sell. But on a long term, you guys don't want to sell this. It's going up, so be ready for the big up rally. So that is it, guys. Be safe in the market. This is Share here again from the Trading Academy. I'll see you soon. Take care.